Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design, and as you can hear my voice is kind of blur. But we're gonna soldier on, it's fine. I feel okay now, it's just that my voice is kind of ugh. Alright, so today's video I'm gonna call it an archive holding planner for my book tracker. So last year and this year, like 2023 and 2024, I did a book tracker in my frankenplanner, and I just put in a little thing of all the books that I read this year. And this year I read 38. I am still going on these two, 38 books. And I'm like, okay, I like this, but I don't want to put this in my 2024 planner. And I would like to take the one from my 2023 out and put it in its own planner. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to create a holding planner for these. So I'm going to use these. These I made for my 2024 tarot journal. And I made them because I didn't really like the cover on this because it's kind of rubbery, the cover. But seeing as this is almost done and I'm not going to need these like to store it, so I'm just like, okay, I'm going to store this, I'm going to take these off and use these for something else. So I thought, well, why don't I just use these as my holding thing, my archive. I'm going to call it an archive because it's going to be my book archive. So what I did is I have been playing around and created this. And I'm just going to cut this, punch the holes, and then I think I'm just going to punch it, put it in my planner, put it in the cover, the front cover, and then each year, as I have new dividers come, what I'm going to do is just create a divider, because right now this one says books. I'm just going to cover that up and put the year on so that I know that this year I read X amount of books. So then the next one will be 2025. This year I read X amount of books. And I'm going to carry on doing the same thing of a little book cover and this. This is a printable. This is available in my Etsy store. That is the plan. That is the plan. Because I don't feel like I want this to be kept with the year that I am doing currently. I don't want it with my previous years. Yes, I'm loving that. Yes. And then I need to decide on discs. All right, so because this is going to be a skinny right now until it gets kind of plump and luscious over the years, eventually I think it will have these on it. But right now, because it's going to be a bit flimsy otherwise, I'm going to put these mini ones in for the next few years. And if you want to see how I made this cover, I have a video all about that. So you can see that here. Yes, I think we're going to do that. I do like these with that, but they're just too big right now. They are just too big right now. Yes, yes, and yes. And then because I am all about making my planners easier, let's take that out. And I will put my 2023 in here as well. I think I might have done some for 2024. If I can remember the books I've read, I might go and back plan a little. And then these 2 pages I can put in my 2025. Yes, they can go in there. I also need, while I'm at it, I need to transfer my list. Does anybody else do this? But I have this massive list here of books I wanted to read that are on my book. I have those books. Those are books that I have. And yet I read other books that are not on this list. I can't even. Now I also have a big list of books that I want to read on my Libby app. So I've got those too. All right, that is that started. That is that started. I'm also going to change this. You know what I have somewhere? I have a 2024 sticker. Okay. And that is my book archive sorted. Again, I think what I might do is look at my my Amazon Kindle at books that I've read. So I might just go back and backplan some in. But that is 30, what did I say, 38? 38 books read so far in 2024. Super happy with that. And there'll probably be more this year because I have the Libby app now. So I'm happy with that. The cover, how I made that Dollar Tree cutting mat and the crocodile, super easy to do. And then the discs, just old discs, printable, 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 and then I just get the image off of the internet, do my little review, and then I call it good. This is something I want to do more of and make sure that I keep up with it each year. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!